Are you ready to learn some simple rules about design? I bet you are. Alright, let's start here. Keep your design classy. That's why I have this classy gentleman in here, so that you can remember to keep your design classy. Classy basically means Bloomingdale's type of classy. We're not talking about 28-inch rims classy. If you think something is cool, or hip, or neat, or funny, it's probably actually a little bit juvenile or maybe cheesy, and so you kind of want to stay away from it. Keep it classy. Here comes our first big tip. Brains really like to be able to set an environment and understand what's coming up. We make patterns, and once we feel comfortable where we are, your brain doesn't have to wonder too much about what's going to happen next. In movies, it's awesome when you're sitting there saying, what's going to happen? What's going to happen? But it's not really too great in the world of design or in normal life. So your first tip is to use a template throughout your PowerPoint presentation. Now, a template does a couple of things. If you look up at the top here, I've got myself a nice little graphic. You can buy them off of the internet at places like Big Stock Photo pretty inexpensively, and PowerPoint comes with graphics that you can use. And down at the bottom, I drew a rectangle. Not too tough to draw yourself a little rectangle at the bottom. First off, look how much better it looks. Before, after. Before, after. It doesn't take any artistic skill to take a graphic and slide it halfway off the screen and to draw a box down at the bottom and put your company's name in it, does it? As we go through this section, look at how much better all the slides look because they follow a certain theme. You can use the themes that come with PowerPoint. However, I'd probably suggest that you don't. See, the thing is other people have seen those themes before. And when somebody sees a design that they've seen before, it cheapens the design. They get this feeling like, oh, I've seen that all before, and they pass that on to your message, so you kind of want to avoid it. If you get on the web and search for beautiful PowerPoint theme, or some sort of theme with a nice little adjective in front of it, like classy or nice or top, you'll find a lot of nice themes, and many of them you can buy for under $20 or $30. It may also be that your company's created a theme for you that you have to use. Happy birthday if that's true to you. I'd recommend a theme with a mostly white background. Not because white is better, but just because it makes it a whole lot easier to use the pictures that come in PowerPoint that have the white background already. Otherwise, you're learning Photoshop and chopping all kinds of backgrounds out, and it takes a long time. If you want to experiment with applying design themes that come with PowerPoint, there's a design tab in PowerPoint that you can go play with now. Maybe also take some time to search on the internet for PowerPoint themes. They're pretty inexpensive and they make a big difference. You might want to try searching for PowerPoint template too. Sometimes they turn up under that.